Hey Henna Guys Fam! Today's video is a little different. We're going to be talking about our Cassia Obovata. Cassia has just one ingredient, Cassia Obovata. Cassia can be used for several things. It's often referred to as neutral henna because it has similar properties as henna, but it won't affect your hair the same way henna does. Cassia can also benefit those who have blonde hair. It can help bring out more of the natural golden tones in blonde hair. This is ideal for those who are blonde and are trying to cover those stubborn grays. Now, if you have darker hair, Cassia will not affect your grays with the same pigmentation. So let's jump right into it. To mix Cassia, you will need a non-metallic bowl. You can use either plastic or glass. We're using glass. You will also need either plastic or wooden utensils for mixing. You will need to measure out the Cassia. This will depend upon the length of your hair. Full measurements will be found in the description box below. We will be using the entire packet. After you've measured out the Cassia and poured it into the bowl, you will need to add in the liquid. You can use either distilled water or chamomile tea. For this, we will be using water. When mixing the Cassia, slowly add in your liquid, stirring after each addition. You will need enough liquid to where the Cassia will need to be a paste consistency. It won't need as much stirring as henna normally does, but it's still a fair amount. While we're stirring, let's talk about the other use for Cassia. It was mentioned earlier that Cassia can also be used for blonde hair. The mixing process would be exactly the same, but you would let it sit for about 10 minutes before you applied it. And you would leave it on your hair for about 1 to 2 hours instead of the 30 to 45 minutes. So after stirring for several minutes, the Cassia paste should look very similar to this. Separate your hair into sections and then apply the Cassia to the roots, working down to the ends. Leave on for 30 to 45 minutes, then rinse with cool water, working your way from the ends to the roots. You can repeat 1 to 2 times weekly, but it will require several applications before seeing any results in the condition of your hair. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on social media.